Ryan Newman off turn 4 for the final time. Blaney to the outside, to the inside. Here comes Hamlin up the outside.
Wow.
Crash into the wall, into the air. Goes Newman.
Upside down.
In a shower of sparks on his roof.
They're still getting upside down. Cars driving under cars.
They're wrecking everywhere. What a wreck.
And they are still wrecking.
I don't really believe in betting a whole lot, but I would have bet you we'd end like this.
Let's take a look, Mike. Carl Edwards, he opened it up just a little bit.
Yeah, I'm not sure. I think this is a hard lick right into the fence. I mean, that car, that looked like Bobby Allison did here in 1987.
Okay, now Kyle's
blocks.
hanging on,
He blocks.
but he's going to block.
Back.
And it just ran himself over the 14 car.
And here's what happened. Block me once. That's okay. Block me twice. You're going up in the grandstands or you're going in the wall. And that's what happened.
Yeah, this one's fair right here. This one's
not
fair. You
fair.
kind of had it coming.
Yeah, he had that one coming. When you cut back across the hood of somebody after you've blocked him once, he was there.
You get one shot at it, but you don't get two. Watch this.
What a lick.
Oh my gosh.
Unbelievable.
Pick the rear tires off the ground. Now watch this next hit. Oh, man. Wow. That's a 180-mile-per-hour shot right there.
Man, that was brutal.
Yeah, that's a shot. So he got hit. He took a shot in the front, and then he took a shot from the back. I mean, and then he got one in the door. Oh,
See,
I didn't see that one.
Yeah, that's what I said, is they were going on down. That's why I kept trying to follow the cars down. I'm like, they hit really hard past the start-finish line.
Good to see him get out of his car. Both of those cars hit extremely hard on that second impact.
That was wrong.
Totally uncalled for. Totally.
I don't care who you are. That was just wrong.